Guys, what's up? It's Mark with Superior Wholesalers out of Fredericksburg, Virginia. 4603 Jeff Davis Highway, Fredericksburg, Virginia, 22408. Look for the big checkered flag chimney. Look for the American flag. Look for my big ASS monster truck parked right out front, right on Route 1. You can't miss it. We're going to do a lineup and a breakdown of inventory we have right here this week. Here's the Lambroke right here. Check it out. Boom! It'll be here until 6, 7 o'clock tonight, and it's leaving. Twin turbo Lamborghini. 2011 lifted. 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 with a set of 20 by 10 Moto Metal 970s, all blacked out right here. Super nice truck. Next on the list, it's right here, 2007 Dodge Ram 2500. Super nice setup on this truck too. Brand new tires. These are the 33 1250 20-inch Radar Renegade RT tires, and I think it's got a rough country suspension kit on it, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, rough country suspension lip. Moving down the list, 2011 Jeep Wrangler with a set of rock stars on it. Super nice Jeep. Beautiful burnt orange color. Aftermarket front and rear bumpers, or actually front bumper. Let me jump right up on Route 1. Get a lot easier. Now we can see. It's like getting a glimpse of the earth. Here we go. Next, Duramax diesel, 2008 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Super nice truck. Next on the list, just got out of detail about a couple days ago. 2003 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins turbo diesel 5.9 liter long bed. It's got a nice set of wheels on it, nice set of tires, suspension lift. Here we have big old beast right here, a good old faithful monster truck. This is let's see, this will be here until the damn tires fall. Next is the Toyota Tacoma Taco. Next right there, it's a Chevy Avalanche, and super nice Chevy Avalanche, to say at the least. It's a 2007, 2008 Chevy Avalanche. Super nice truck. Next on the list is a Taco, 2006 Toyota Tacoma, 4-door, really popular truck. After that, we have a 2009 Chevy Suburban, super nice. And then we get a really duper nice, super duper, ridiculously nice. Ready? Wait for it. 2001 Ford E250 conversion van. And look how nice this is. Super ridiculously nice. Tires are in great shape. The paint is all original. Everything is like, I can't explain enough on this truck, or this van. Really great condition. Super nice. I love it. Interior is like immaculate. Yeah, seats are in great shape. No rips, nothing like that. No cracks in the dash. Everything works. So really nice set of American racing wheels on this one right here. And then we have a beast. We have a 2013 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali. Really nice truck. Really clean. Tires are fairly good on here, probably about 85% tread. Paint's in great shape. And over here we have a 2012 Dodge Ram 2500 diesel, Cummins turbo diesel with a suspension lift on it. And it's an Icon suspension lift with a set of Pro Comp wheels, with a set of 35, 1250, 17-inch tires, fairly new. Next we have pretty much like a work truck, farm truck type deal. 7.3 liter F250, it's a 2000 F250, nice truck. Honda Accord, Acura MDX, new Dodge we just got in, I think. Yeah, pretty new. Mega cab. We got another mega cab coming in too. The 2006 mega cab. Here we have my Denali, 2014 GMC Sierra Denali 1500. Guy's suspension lift on it. A set of Fuel 22 by 12 Fuel Mavericks chrome face black barrel, and a set of 35, 1250, 22-inch mud terrain tires. Really nice setup here. Awesome truck. I've driven it multiple weeks back to back until it was ready for sale. Got it detailed and put it up for sale. Black leather interior, lane assist, everything loaded. There's a shot of the back end of the monster truck right there. You're gonna see some decals on that truck here soon. And the front line right here, killer deal in 2016 Jetta, 6,000, or actually I think it's less than that if I'm not mistaken. Cadillac right here, Volkswagen Bug, 2015 Silverado 1500, rough country suspension lift on it. New set of wheels coming in this week on that. Friday they'll be here. I just ordered brand new. 2000, God, don't count me on this one. This one must have just came in too. GMC Sierra. Jeep Wrangler right here, really nice setup on the Jeep Wrangler. Suspension lift, Skyjacker suspension lift, wheels, tires, you name it. 37, 1350, 20-inch tires, massive. Nice setup, light bars and all. Here we have a 2005 Silverado 2500 HD 6.0 liter gas motor. Super nice truck as well. 4603 Jeff Davis Highway. Holler at me. 540-898-3025.